always tell Callie, kasi si Callie yung teenager. Pero alam mo, I'll tell you sa school din ni Alonzo, usong-uso, diba? I always tell Kuya, one of your superpowers ay magaling ka to communicate yourself. He's super good at this. So this is like one of the strengths of my second born. But I tell him na just because you feel you can say and you have the courage to say something doesn't mean you have to say it. Okay? So just because you have that platform or the network or your friends or your family or power to say something, akin nga, the bigger the power you have, the bigger the platform, the more mindful you have to be.
The greater the
Kasi
responsibility.
the words, when you already bring them out, you can't get them back. And no matter how you ask for forgiveness, it is already out there. At once nakapanakit ka na, ang hirap na nun bawiin.
Syempre, Dea is super young. Obviously, she's not reading comments or meron at meron yan. I think lang what I would like to do is to make sure that she has a strong core. So that means to me that I make her feel as whole as possible at home. Because pag matibay ka, yung sentro mo, kahit anong sabihin ng ibang tao, hindi ka mayayanig, hindi ka shaken.